Today we're going to be talking about finding absolute value. So the first thing we need to know is the definition. The absolute value of a number is the number's distance from 0 on a number line. So that means we're going to count how far away each number is from 0 on a number line. And because absolute value represents a distance, that distance always has to be positive. So let's look at a couple of examples here. I have the number -7 here. I need to find the absolute value of -7. These bars tell me I am finding absolute value. So I'm going to plot -7 on the number line, and then I'm going to count how far it is from 0. So what I want to do is I want to know where 0 is at all times. So I'm going to highlight it. Now I am going to count how far away -7 is from 0 to find its absolute value. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took 7 jumps in the negative direction to get to -7. The absolute value of -7 is 7. We're going to do the same thing for the number 5. We're going to plot the number 5 and count how many jumps. The absolute value of -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is 5. Next, we're going to do the absolute value of 7. So I'm going to plot 7, and I'm going to find how far away from 0 it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it took 7 jumps to get to +7, so the absolute value of 7 is 7. Now, I'm going to do the absolute value of -2. I'm going to plot -2, and I'm going to count 1, 2. It took 2 jumps in the negative direction to get to -2, so the absolute value of -2 is 2. Next, I'm going to do 4. Plot 4, and I'm going to find the absolute value of 4. I'm going to go underneath because now I'm running out of room to jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 jumps to get to 4. The absolute value of 4 is 4. And the last one is -4. So here's -4, and I'm going to go underneath. I need to find the absolute value of -4. I have to find its distance from 0. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 jumps to get to -4. So the absolute value of -4 is 4. As you can see, all of these absolute values are positive. They are a distance from 0, which means you need to see how far away from 0. Whether you go in the positive or negative direction, you still have to jump to get there. So that is why the absolute value is always positive.